Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a dog. A dog that looks like it's done something that it shouldn't. I think it's got a bit of a guilty look on its face, this one. So, start with the top of his head, like this. This is going to be his fluffy head. Okay, and then we're going to draw an ear on here. I'm going to come round, down, and then out there, and then we're going to come out like that. I'm going to do a little bit there as well, and then the cheeks fluffy, so you just got to do wavy lines. Do this side. So I'm going to draw the ear again. I'm going to draw it going up and down like that. A little flick. I'm going to come out and then round back into the head. So I'm going to go round, back into the head like that. And then I'm going to have that little bit again. That's where his ear's folded over. And I'm going to draw. Hey, what's she doing? Oh, she's pinched my partner's slipper. She's not meant to have it. I think it's funny. She's playing with it. I should stop saying things on this video. I'll get in trouble. There we go. I think we should buy her a slipper. You don't think that would be nicer? She likes them. I hope she doesn't put holes in it. So this is going to be the collar. I'm going to go all the way round like that. Oh, that's a bit of a wobbly collar. I'm going to do a little disc on there as well. What's she doing? She should be asleep now. You'll be tired later. You. So that's a little disc with his name on. And then I'm going to do some little for the shoulders, and then the same at the other side, like that. Now the face. I'm going to do a little bit of a guilty look on this one. So the eyes need to look, could look a bit sad actually. I'm going to do that side, like that, and then I'm going to go round to here. So all the way round to there, and then the same on that side. What's she doing? You're a cheeky girl, you. Do you know she must have almost 30 toys, but she always steals stuff that aren't hers. I'm going to go round here again and try and join that up to there. Okay. Now the nose. I'm going to do a big nose because I find when you do a big nose it makes them look cute. So there we go, nice big nose. I've not brought my thick pen, have I? I've left it downstairs. I'll try and colour this in quickly. So you'll see actually that I've done the head at a tilt because when dogs, sometimes cats do this as well. When they've done something they know they shouldn't do and they think they're going to get in trouble, they tilt the head to the side because it makes them look cute. So I've just done it slightly to the side, and you'll see that more when I do the mouth. I'm going to do the mouth a little bit to the side as well. So I'm going to come up like that. There we go. Nice mouth there. Guilty. Oh, I think so. Now we have circles for eyes. One big one. And another big one here. I'm going to draw a little circle in the middle of that. So his eyes look shiny. Brings them to life a bit rather than just all black. Same on this one. Little circle in the middle. And that's that. There we go. And that is the guilty dog. So, I don't know what he's been up to, but it's no good, I think. I might try that head tilt when it won't work with me. So I would love to see your pictures. If you could send them to me, I will post them on my Facebook page. You'll find the details below. And thank you very much for watching. I'll go and see what my little puppy has done now. Oh, she's actually being good. She's eating a chew stick. That's good. That means I won't get in trouble. Right, thank you for watching. Bye bye.